Welcome to Ohm's law session. In this experiment, Ohm's law is going to be verified with an electric circuit. The aim of this experiment is to verify Ohm's law by plotting arc cot theta graph and to determine the internal resistance of the battery and the given galvanometer. The apparatus we are going to use for this experiment is battery, plug key, resistance box, commutator, tangent galvanometer, the negative terminal of the battery is connected to plug key. The other terminal of the plug key is given to the commutator. The opposite terminal of the commutator here is connected to resistance box, one of the terminals. The other terminal of this resistance box is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. The other two terminals of this commutator are connected to 50 turns in this tangent galvanometer.
Now, the TG is made to be perfectly horizontal by means of a spirit level. Place the spirit level on the compass box so that it is parallel to the line joining any two leveling screws. The bubble in the spirit level should be in the center. The spirit level is turned 90 degrees in line with the third screw and is again adjusted so that the bubble is again at the center. Thus, the TG is made horizontal. When the current is not flowing in the circular coil, the magnetic needle in the compass box of the TG rests along the magnetic meridian. The plane of the circular coil is made parallel to the magnetic needle. Then, the compass box is also rotated to make the aluminium pointer read 00. So, these are the adjustments to be made before conducting the experiment.
After all the connections are made, we can start the procedure. Switch on the battery first. Adjust the required voltage on the key. Remove a suitable resistance here in the resistance box. We can observe deflections theta 1 and theta 2 in the tangent galvanometer. By reversing the keys, we can take theta 3 and theta 4 readings in the tangent galvanometer by changing the direction of current. So, we have to take all the 4 readings theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and theta 4 in this experiment. And now, after taking all the observations, we have to repeat the same experiment for different values of resistances. We can take 1 ohm, 3 ohm, 5 ohm, 7 ohm like this. According to our convenience, we can choose the resistances in the resistance box and the corresponding deflections should be interviewed in this tangent galvanometer. We have to take the tabular form, we have to fill all the columns and we have to take the mean value of all the deflections. Find the tan theta value from the mean value.
Now, we plot the graph by taking r values on x-axis and cot theta values on y-axis. We consider a suitable scale. On x-axis, 1 cm is equal to 1 ohm. On y-axis, 1 cm is equal to 0.1. Now, from the observations, for r is equal to 1 ohm, cot theta is equal to 0.2493. Plot the point 1, 0.2493 on the graph. Similarly, plot all the points on the graph. Now, join all the points. We observe that it is a straight line. Now, extend this line backwards to meet the x-axis. This line intercepts on x-axis. This intercept value is the internal resistance of the battery and galvanometer.
In this way, we have to verify Ohm's law, and according to the given tabular form, we have to prove r plus b plus g into tan theta is equal to constant. We conclude the experiment with this result.